Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw our most favorite blue buddy. It's Doraemon. You know what? One day Nobita was super sad because he could not draw anything perfectly. So Doraemon pulled out a magical pen from his pocket and said, "Let's make art easy and fun together." And that's what we are doing today, buddy. Making this cute Doraemon drawing in the easiest and happiest way possible. So, get your pencil, paper, whatever, and ready. Smile. And let's begin this fun doodle adventure with me. Only me. Okay guys, tada! Our cute Doraemon is ready. Full of love, magic and big smile. I'm sure Nobita would be so proud of us right now. If you enjoyed this adorable drawing journey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to keep the creative pocket full of new surprises. See you soon. No. See you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep drawing, and stay as happy as Doraemon. Bye bye. Bye bye.